We are so proud to say that Ms. Nina Flores, you are a 2025 ExCEL Award winner.
And this is a pretty big deal for us. We get to celebrate Nina Flores, and she's being awarded the ExCEL Award.
JCPS is very proud to have educators like Ms. Flores, so many across the district we wish we could give this award to, so I want you to know you are representing all JCPS teachers.
Miss Flores, thank you for who you are. Thank you for being the person that you are. Thank you for being more than a teacher. Thank you for being a model to your teacher. And thank you for being supportive. Thank you for being that constant light. And I always remember attending your classroom. I was always looking forward to it.
Congratulations, Ms. Flores. We are thrilled to recognize you and your remarkable accomplishments. And we have the fun part, the honor of presenting you with the check. So well deserved.
So my word for you today is opportunity. Some, like me, were born with a wealth of opportunities. Others had to fight for them. But now in the United States, all of you have an opportunity for education. And education is the one thing that no one can ever take away from you.